right, so just a little update out here at the storage unit right now. Are those trash right there?
Yeah, that's what we got left.
Oh, we still have to scan through these? All right, so these we got to scan through. You can see our guy over there.
Look, grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking Well Show.
Joel, he's part of the landscaping company. He lets us use his forklift, or he uses his forklift and move stuff around for us. What he gets out of this relationship is he gets to take stuff to a local bookstore and we pay him for the trade credit. So he puts all the store credit in this box here. You can see it says Joel on the back. He gets 30% of whatever they give him. Generally they give him between 50 and 60 bucks. All this stuff on the walls here, this is all for Amazon FBA. You can see we're attempting to build sets of Twilight. They sell these dirt cheap at McKay's, 10 cents a piece. So we build as many sets as we can. And they're really just trying to purge inventory and get rid of everything they can. These are duds back here?
That's Goodwill.
Oh, Goodwill, okay. So the landscaping company's right down there. And Wildman Willie, a good friend of mine, when I was on a 2-week camping trip this summer, his ass got a big truck without a lift gate. And so we didn't have a lift gate. He didn't have a lift gate to get the stuff down. So his resourceful ass saw that there was a forklift down there, went, negotiated with the landscaping guys, and now we got this relationship. Sweet. I met Wesley here from Caleb Roth when I was in Philadelphia. I think Caleb texted me about you. You used to source books for Caleb, right?
Yeah, about a couple years ago in Vegas. We're going to the Goodwill outlet every day for Caleb, and 50 cents a book. And it was before, what's the scanner? ScoutIQ. ScoutIQ. He probably built ScoutIQ because of some of the, like 50 cents a book, you know, if it was close, we were buying them.
So Caleb's in Denver. Where were you sourcing?
Vegas.
Vegas, okay.
But that was back when you could sell most penny books under, you know, $1 million for like 10 bucks a pop.
So how long ago was that?
You were making 2 or 3 years ago.
Dang.
Yeah.
So what were you saying? You think he made ScoutIQ because?
Oh no, like just some of them were bad, some of them were good. You know, I mean, I know he made money on the deal, but I know there was a lot of duds too. But
gotcha.
Nowadays, there'd be a lot less duds. You know.
He was like, I'm gonna make my own damn app. This app's giving me all the shitty items. Yeah, we're actually using a little bit of Scoutly. I feel like I'm cheating using Scoutly. I'm not cheating. I feel like I'm betraying Caleb using Scoutly.
I like just ching, boom. Yeah, you know right away. You don't gotta look at it. You don't gotta waste no time.
Yeah.
Just get through it fast.
The reason why we're using Scoutly is Scoutly's got a downloadable database for media, and ScoutIQ's working on that. But we use ScoutIQ for books otherwise.
Yep.
This is all the good stuff right here. Oh, it looks like we still got a lot of X library in there. I mean, X library for FBA. You're getting pulls from them, right?
Yeah. Oh, actually, you look at this right here. Lots of DVDs. X library. Getting, I'd say on DVDs, at least 50% are pulls.
Okay.
So.
50.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
But the problem is, what you given me so far was mostly CDs.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Well, I mean, we're running out of shelf space quickly, so I need more boxes and I need more space.
Yeah. What boxes we got left? We got.
I'm dumping them now, so this should help.
Okay.
I just dumped a bunch. I got.
Whenever you go to McKay's, you could grab some from in there.
I got like 8 boxes right now.
Okay.
But earlier when I messaged you, I didn't have shit. I was like, oh god. All right, I'll figure it out.
Gotcha. We'll. I can get you some more. But yeah, that's the update, guys. Hope you enjoyed that little real life video of the storage unit. We're going to try to keep this thing going while I'm down in Miami, but it's going to take my listeners a while to get through all these on the shelves, but it won't take them too long.
I think out of 2.5 Gaylords so far that we've done for you, we've pulled 17 good boxes.
Okay.
18 good boxes.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Like, comment, subscribe, do what you got to do. Peace out, family.
Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential. If money speaks, then I'm the main act.